So here we have the Ford Focus on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, just run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. First of all, on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, the speedometer on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that, the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 56,705. You can change information displayed there for various bits of individual trip computer information. These 4 bits displayed simultaneously, and a digital readout for the speedometer. All changed with these buttons just here, below which we have our cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls on the right hand side, and then the stereo itself is over in the center. It's all touchscreen, so this is where you pair your phone. Just hit pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow those instructions on screen from there. When it comes to the radio, you can see there we've got AM, FM and DAB, CD player as well, and Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. As well as making and receiving phone calls once you've paired your phone, of course. And there are 2 separate USB inputs available in this car as well. We've also got satellite navigation, as you can see. Really nice, clear colour display. Very easy system to use. Below that is the CD player itself, the main volume for the stereo, and then the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, of course, where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. Air conditioning is on when that light shows. The same button will turn it off again. You can recirculate the air in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. We've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. USB input, a 12-volt charging socket. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when this light shows, and we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.